Uno who na church uno pon basket in yara.
Mr. Black.
Legodi kahade.
Mr. Black. Ele ihe mere nu. Eh?
Owa. Apatara water call.
Okay.
Water call I say if you want to give your life to Christ. But I be my life to Christ. Brother okay to go pata. Now I'm going almost 20 times. But I be my life to Christ. Yes, over my own life. Then sometimes I will take my life back. But now thing back. On I can now the pastor now I won't come na church. They were saying my now I won't come near church. Now I didn't serious. Now they go Greg. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of insult? We all see finish now.
Hey, yeah.
See finish now course here. They go give my life to Christ 10 times. It's my life. If anytime I want to oh yeah, you change my life. Get out. He got more now.